So now we'll discuss about server. So first I will discuss about testing of DHCP DNS web. Okay. So here in this topology in head office we have two server. The first main server I configured DHCP, DNS and HTTP. Okay, along with FTP that we'll discuss later. The first thing DHCP. So go to services and we can see DHCP. So DHCP means dynamically or automatically assign IP address for the clients. Okay, so here in DHCP we turned on the service. We have the gateway. Okay, we have three pools here: VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. So I'll show open each VLAN pool number. Okay, this is like VLAN 10 pool. I have the gateway address, I have the DNS server, I have the starting IP. Okay, like VLAN 20, I have this gateway, this DNS, the starting IP mask, then how many users they are available. VLAN 30 also I put like this. Okay, so this gateway is the IP address of sub interface you have configured for the router. Okay, now how do we test this? So I'm going to VLAN 10 PC. So what I will do, how do we test DHCP? So here I'll go for static means manually enter the IP, but here I am trying DHCP. I will get the IP from the server. Okay, like this 12.7. It will be given lease, not permanent. Okay, after some time you will get another IP or to lease another IP. Okay, use another IP. So this one VLAN 20 IP also coming. VLAN 30 IP here. That also I want to test it is working or not. I'll try only in head office. Okay, branch you can try. Done. Okay. Now what about the configuration of DHCP in router? Also we have some configuration. So console password is Cisco. I think I forget the password. Okay, I'll bypass this one. I'll bypass. You don't do that. Okay, you just type the password. I just bypass because I have no time. So show run. I can see. Okay, how do we test that? Check the configuration of this one. Okay, configuration we are done in where server, right? So but here in every sub interface, every VLAN configuration, every sub interface, no, I want to add a command IP helper address. What is the use of this command? We are informing, we are asking that VLAN 10 machine, 20 machine, 30 machine, 40 machine, all they have to contact this. Okay, sub interfaces VLAN 10, 20, that they have to contact this server for IP. This command is actually mentioning that server belongs to some other network. Server is in VLAN 10, but I'm in VLAN 20. So I want to contact this IP for server or DHCP. That's why this IP for DHCP server. Okay. I'm asking every sub interface. Okay, they want to contact the server because it is a different network. So mention the IP address and server don't give DHCP, always static. Okay, that's done. Now how do we test that? I told you IP is getting. Another command for testing here is show IP DHCP binding. Also you can see. Okay, let me try another one. Show IP DHCP pool, because these things will work only if DHCP is configured in router. DHCP is not configured in router, right? So we configured in server. That's why we can see only here. Okay. How do we test? Go here and get the IP automatically. DHCP is done. Whenever you configure DHCP in router, then you can try these commands. DHCP binding, DHCP pool. If you configure router as a DHCP server, you can try this command. But I configured in server, I can't try this. Okay, it is here. Here only thing we have to check is whether the helper address given or not. Helper address means the IP address of DHCP server. Maybe it is in different network, not in VLAN 30, VLAN 40. That's why we give the IP address of server. They'll contact them. Okay. Now web server, it's our websites. Okay, so I configured a web page here. So HTTP, I have enabled HTTPS and HTTP on. Then I configured here, so welcome to Zohar Aluminium in index page. I put that. I asked maybe you can even put the picture of that company also there. I didn't put that. Okay, now how do we test this website? So whenever you are going to test a website, you cannot try the IP address of that website. Okay, when you try the IP address website, although it will come like when you try this IP address of website, open the browser. No, open the browser of your desktop, go to the browser, copy paste the IP address of your website. The browser will take some time. Let's wait. Okay, so browser is taking time. You have to open the browser here first. In the browser, I will try the IP address of HTTP server, web server. It will come. The web page will come. But problem no, we never open the website using IP address. No. So what we can do? We want to convert that IP to domain. Okay, that domain name we need to add. So where you will add this domain name? DNS service. Okay, I already added in DNS service. I turned down the DNS and I added the record sohar.com in this IP. Soharaluminum.com means another IP. So how do we test this? This is DNS, okay? Domain name to IP. How do we test the DNS? One method is go to the same here, add www.sohar.com. Okay, let me check that again. What was the name here? Wait, let me open the server again. DNS server. Okay, not this one, this server. In the server sohar.com, all small letter. Okay, so I'll copy this name. Okay, I'm going to test the DNS. Okay, one method is like this: open the website by going into web browser and okay, see that web browsers always take some time. Okay, by the time it comes up, okay, let's wait for that website browser to open. Okay, just waiting for the website to open. Browser to open. It's taking lot of time. Okay, now it's coming up. Now I'll copy that, copy paste that sohar.com website. See, within 20, it's coming. Okay, this one method of testing website as well as DNS. Now another method is command line. Okay, I'll go to the same PC. Go to the same PC. Then command line method is there. Go to command prompt. Okay, ns lookup. This is a command. Okay, you have to put in lowercase ns lookup. Okay, then paste the website name. You will get, this is the IP address of DNS server. Then this is the website you can tried and your IP address. Okay, now another website was like soharaluminum.com. One more I had, bro, aluminium.com. 12.3 is the answer. Okay, this is server IP. This is not the answer, this is the DNS server IP. This is the question you tried and this is the answer you got. Okay, then one more thing we have in DNS server is like DNS server has some records. Okay, a record means if you are adding the IP address, IPv4 address of your website means a record you want to choose. Okay, AAA, this one is actually if you are adding IPv6 address instead of this one. If you add 2001 DB8, no, that one if you add means it is AAA record. Okay, then canonical name means another name of this website. Okay, so we have to give some other name for this website. You can put canonical name like that. Many entries minimum you should know what is a record and error record. Okay, IPv4 and IPv6 address, canonical name server record, then SOAs. Okay, that also there. So mainly these three. Okay, I already discussed the other fields in my DNS video. Check that. Okay, that's what we discussed in this video. Okay, hope you understood. We discussed DHCP, DNS, and web. Okay, bye.